Well, buddy, I think I fixed the rototiller and figured out how to work it. Once it gets repaired, it works well for you. I can use that monster with one arm, one hand. That's real nice. It's kind of wet out, but I was kind of excited because I got it running, what have you. But this old bad boy, now look how wet the ground is. The ground is wet, but this bad boy is a monster. And I got it repaired. It seems that everything that I have gotten a hold of that this old boy had before me didn't have to repair nothing. So the secret is servicing it. This arm right here, had a bad bolt in the bottom of it. I don't know whether you can see that bolt down below here, right here. Had a bolt that was missing, wasn't engaging it, wasn't allowing it to attach, so I put a new bolt in it. Tore it apart though to find out. I found out its inner workings. But this is the flower garden. That is what is called hollyhocks. They're not weeds, but they look like weeds. But it's raining now, so I'm gonna get out of here. Okay? I love you. Thank you so much for your help and prayer. Okay, and I'm still praying for Frank and your family. Okay? See you. Bye.